Hello student, today we will do question number 18 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT math books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So first we will simplify this. 1 by this is sine cube x. This is sine x plus a. We will expand this by using sine a plus b formula. So that will be sine x into cos alpha plus cos x into sine alpha. Square root. Now if we'll take a common sine x, so 1 by if take common sine x, so this will be sine 4x. Here will be cos alpha plus cos x into sine alpha divided by sine x. This is under root. Square root of sine 4x will be 1 by sine a square x here will be cos alpha plus cos x by sine x is equal to cot x into sine alpha. This is under root. Now we will suppose let cos alpha plus cot x into sine alpha is equal to t. It will differentiate both sides. This will be cos alpha, differentiation will be 0, cot minus cos x square x and sine alpha equal dx equal to dt. So dx equal to then dx equal to dt by minus cos x square x into sine alpha. Now we will put here in this. So integration of 1 by sine qx sine x plus alpha dx. Now here we will put value Sine square x we can write, it will go up, then it will be cosec square x divided by this is t we have supposed, so under root t, and dx is equal to dt divided by minus cosec square x into sine alpha. This is cosec square will cut, so we will bring minus 1 by sine alpha. What will remain here? T under root t, so we can write this t minus 1 by 2 and dt. So if you will integrate this minus 1 by sine alpha, to t minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. This will be minus 1 by sine alpha into t minus 2 value will be t 1 by 2, here will be 1 by 2 plus c. So this will be minus 2 by sine alpha t 1 by 2. We will put value t is equal to cos alpha plus cot x into sine alpha plus c. Sine alpha, now say cos alpha plus cot, we can write cos x by sin x into sine alpha plus c. Now we'll take LCM, then this will be sin x into cos alpha plus cos x into sin alpha by sin x under root plus c. This we can write minus 2 by sine alpha and this is we can write this sine x sine x plus alpha divided by sine x under root. plus C. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.